Fixing payment not completed App Store is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do. Read first, you need to close the App Store on your iPhone. After that, navigate to your iPhone settings and select Face ID and passcode. Once you've entered your passcode, disable Face ID for iTunes and App Store. After that, try to purchase in the App Store to check if the problem is resolved. Now, if the issue continues, it means your payment method may have been defined because it's outdated. Or do you do Apple ID location settings? Now in your phone settings, tap on your Apple ID name, then choose payment and shipping. Here you can view your current payment method after entering your Apple ID password. Here you can edit your payment method and remove it, then add a new payment method like Apple Pay, a credit card, or PayPal. Further, if you're part family sharing, only the family organizer can change or remove payment methods after adding a new payment method and deleting the one. Check at this fixes the problem. After that, in your Apple ID settings, tap on Sign Out. It will take a moment to sign you out, and then you can sign back into your Apple ID account. Next, in your screen time settings, select Content and Privacy Restrictions within the iTunes and App Store Purchases section and show that you have permission to install apps, delete apps, and make in-app purchases. Next, ensure that your iPhone has the latest software updates are in your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on General, then select Software Update. Now download and install any available updates if there are any, and restart your device afterward. This will also restart all processes running on your device and can resolve payment not completed error you're experiencing.